Welcome and thank you for tuning into Gain Explains. In this tutorial, I'll give you 7 tips on how to write more authentic and engaging character conversations. The conversations between the characters in your stories are known as dialogue. Good writers use dialogue to get across to their readers the personalities, feelings, emotions, and moods of their characters. Dialogue is usually presented using direct speech, with speech marks, also known as inverted commas or quotation marks, indicating the exact words being spoken. The next time you're in a busy setting, take a moment to tune in to the different conversations that are happening around you. Instead of listening to what people are saying, focus on how they are speaking. You'll notice that everyone has their own unique style of communication. Some people speak loudly, others speak softly. Some speak confidently. Others stumble over their words with uncertainty. Some are serious and focused, while others are more carefree and relaxed. Some may seem distracted, and others maintain an unwavering focus. When writing your dialogue, each character should come across as being distinctly unique. So how can we show this uniqueness when characters talk in our stories? Well, here are 7 tips for you to try. Tip 1. Choose your dialogue tags carefully. Dialogue tags make it clear to the reader who is doing the speaking. "We're winning," said Sam. But using a more precise reporting verb also helps express how that character is speaking. A more subtle type of dialogue tag is something called an action beat. An action beat is a sentence or phrase that describes what the speaker is doing while they are talking, or how a character is reacting to what is being said. "I think the room is bugged." George's voice was barely audible. Mr. Higgins raised an eyebrow skeptically. "You really expect me to believe that?" "It's for me?" Audrey's eyes shone with excitement as she spoke. Tip 2. Use exclamation marks to show the character is speaking loudly. "Stop it!" "That's brilliant!" "Shoot the ball!" Exclamation marks are also good for expressing a sense of urgency. They can show that your character is in a hurry. "We need to get out of here, right now." "It's about to blow. Run." "We're late. Come on." Tip 3. Use ellipses to show hesitation. "I'm not supposed to tell you this, but she's planning a surprise party for you this Friday." Ellipses can also express when someone is speaking softly. "Psst, over here." "I'm sorry, I didn't mean to wake you up." "Please don't tell anyone, but I'm afraid of the dark." Tip 4. Use hyphens to show that a character is nervous or stammering. "I didn't mean to do it. I wanted to tell you. I don't know what you're talking about." Tip 5. Use repetition to show that the character is excited or speaking quickly. Okay. Listen to this. You're gonna love it. Hurry up. We're going to be late. Late for the show. Yes, I understand. Understand completely. Tip 6. Use interruptions to change the focus of attention. This could involve having one character interrupt while another character is speaking. I'm heading to bed. Make sure you... Wait! Did you hear that noise? Or it could be a character interrupting themselves mid-sentence. You're right. Let's head back. Wait! Hold on! What's that thing sticking out of the ground? Tip 7. Use I-dialect to give your character an accent. I-dialect is when you spell a word phonetically to represent the accent of the person speaking. Roald Dahl used this really effectively in the BFG to give the giant his very unique voice. I is a dream-blowing giant. I isn't a human being. Clive King also used I-dialect in his wonderful book Stig of the Dump, when Barney confronted two burglars who pretended to be television repairmen. You're thieves, said Barney. I know you've got Granny's silver in that suitcase. The man looked at his companion. Hear that? He said. The kid thinks we're thieves. Look, Sonny, we come to look at your granny's television, didn't we, Sydney? We got our tools in these here cases, haven't we, Sydney? So there you go. You now have 7 ways to create unique and engaging dialogue. From now on, choose your dialogue tags more carefully. Use exclamation marks to show volume or urgency. Use ellipses to show hesitation. Use hyphens to show nervousness. Use repetition to show excitement. Use interruptions to change the focus. And use I-dialect to give your character an accent.